Doesn't it feel like Christmas morning?
It feels like money.
Yep. There's a lot of money we had to send over to England for this. And that we'll be getting back in 15 or less days.
Don't get me in it. Or my shorts.
Well,
Come back over here.
You want me to film?
Come back over here. We're doing very well over here. Okay. This box is crazy. Alright. Ready?
Ready. Ready.
Spaghetti. Phone. Oh look. A box.
Within the box, it's boxception.
Ooh. Ooh. Holy crap, dude.
Ladies and gentlemen, the stupidest thing Mike can do.
It does not. Feel this box, dude.
It's like a tattered soul. Oh, look, another box. That's the handkerchief you put in your jacket pocket.
Ooh. Handmade in England. Holy crap, dude.
Vartu.
Wow.
From over here, it's stunning.
And it's got
Your pop loose hidden knife
no,
SD card.
it's got the signature of the person who built it.
Oh, England.
And then in here, you've got,
I'm done.
yay, quick start warranty, authenticity card.
I have one of those for a hockey puck I've signed.
Here's a pillow to separate the box.
Of course.
And here we've got headphones. We've got converter plugs for when I travel to meet with other famous diplomats. Cables that we're not even going to use because I bought a wireless charger
Of course you
just
did.
for this so I could leave all this stuff in the box. So we'll put this pillow back and put all of this stuff back.
Carefully. Carefully.
Let you pick it up so I may see it.
And that's the unboxing. Thank you, Zach.